Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you all? Today is 22nd December, Tuesday. Okay, grade 3. Last time we learned conversion of money. Rupees into paisas and dollars into cent. It means we learn how to convert rupees into paisas and dollars into cent. ओके ग्रेड 3 वी ऑल नो दैट कि 1 रुपी जो होता है इट इज़ इक्वल टू 100 पैसा के 1 रुपीज़ इज़ इक्वल टू 100 पैसास. ओके ग्रेड 3. So on your book on page number 72, if you open, you can see on your book question number 1 and 2. I was given you to solve, but we are going to revise again. So I will tell you point A, question number 1, convert the rupees into paisas and dollars into cent, both questions. So have a look of the first one. The first A part, there is 8 rupees. To convert 8 rupees into paisas, I have already told you कि 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisas. 1 रुपये में कितने पैसाज होते हैं? 100 paisas. So we will multiply 8 with the 100. What will be the answer? If you will multiply, we will get 800. You can multiply in the rough work. If you will multiply with the short way is we can put both the zero when we have 100 multiplying and like 100, 10,000, 100, these numbers we have already learned the short way. You can put both the zero with the digit, you will get the answer. So 8 multiplied by 100, 108 times 800 paisas. Next 90 rupees. So we will multiply 90 with the 100 again, क्योंकि 90 रुपीज़ को आपने 100 पैसाज में कन्वर्ट करना है. So that's why we will multiply with the 100. We will get 9,000. The easiest trick is put the both zero with the 90. Okay. जब both zero हम 90 के साथ you can multiply in the rough work. Otherwise, the short way both zero you will put with the 90. You will get 9,000. Next. RS 0.95. Here you have a 0.95. When we have a point, then what you have to do when you will multiply 95 with the 100. जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसका शॉर्ट वे ये है कि पॉइंट को रिमूव कर देंगे और आप पी जो है वो प्लेस कर देंगे. रिमूव द पॉइंट एंड पुट द पी. ओके. If you want to multiply, you can multiply, you will get the 95. Next, 17.30. So, again, what you have to do, remove the point and put the P, paisas, easiest way. If you multiply 17.30 with the 100, you will get the answer. So, I am going to tell you the short way. $20. Now we have to convert dollars into paisas. We will multiply 20 with the 100 क्योंकि there are 100 cents in $1. So we will multiply again with the 100 to get the cents. So 20 multiplied by 100, answer will be 2,000. Again, now you have again $0.85. The last one. So what you will do, remove the point and put the cent sign. So this is the way to convert rupees into paisas and dollars into cents. So grade 3 for conversion paisas into rupees and cents into dollars on page number 72. So I will tell you how to convert paisas into rupees. So grade 3, what you have to do, you have to start, here is written 907 paisas. So what you have to do, start from the right side से start करेंगे, count 2 digit left. So 7 0, then we will put point. After that put point, what you have to do, 90, it is 907, we will put the point, 2 digit left, आपने count करना है, put the point and place rupees, and we will write the RS in the starting you can write, and write RS. It means 9 rupees and 7 paisas. Okay. In the case of the from cent to dollars, what you have to do, you are given here again, start from the left, right, count 2 digit left, put the point. So क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? What will be the answer? It will be 07 07.07 and put the dollar sign. This is the way to convert cents into dollars and dollars into cent. In the starting there wasn't point, it was 7 cents. How many cents? 7 cents into dollars में. So what we will do, we will start from the right side, we will count 2 digit left, we will put point. So what you have to do, you have to put point, actually you have to put point in the answer side. This is the question. Put the point, start from the right, count 2 digit left, put the point and dollar sign. This is the way to convert cents into dollars and paisas into rupees. Okay, grade 3. Take another example. You can see here 900 paisas into rupees. So you have to convert, this is question number 3 on page 72. 900 paisas into rupees में. So what you have to do, you have to start from the right, count 2 digit left, put the point. क्या करना है आपने? Start from the right side, count 2 digit left, 2 digit के बाद आपने point place करना है and then write rupees, RS. Same in the case of cents. 1200 cents है आपके पास, you will write 1200 cents. लिखने के बाद आप 2 digit right side से start करेंगे, फिर you will place the point and then write RS, rupees. Dollar. You can write the dollar sign. What you have to do, you will write 1200. Start from the right, count 2 digit left and place the dollar sign. This is the way to convert cents into dollars. Okay, grade 3.